Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So here is a quick video. Whenever you are writing title, description, text, and thumbnail, and all these things, whenever you are filling, make sure that you are making actionable SEO score of vidIQ 50 by 50. Maybe you are, if there would be some lackings that you are not able to do, so that would be say work. It will work, but make sure to make it 50 by 50 because it will really help you to say add relevant tags that can help you to touch a wider reach, and also it will also help you to make your thumbnail touch a lot of screens, or say if I am watching it and if you have made it 50 by 50. Now I'm searching a video based on any long tail keyword that you have added in your video, so and you have made this 50 by 50. So I will be getting like in maybe second third ranking, or within 10 in rank I will be getting your video also. So make sure to to made. Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to tell you one important thing. Whenever we are writing like these kind of things, title, description, and everything, so I filled everything, but I tried to taking care of one important. I have added playlist. You can see it right here. I have added a lot of keywords. So while adding keywords, you should take care of when you are adding keywords. This score should go high from 0 by 50 to 10, 20, 30, and finally you need to make it 50 by 50. Maybe if you could not made it to you fail to say add cards and end cards and everything in your like video, but still there is one thing that you should take care of. Just download this actionable download vidiq, and also add this extension in your laptop, sign in from your account, and then you can see this kind of screen. You can see this backside. This is vidiq and this is tubebuddy. So they will help you whenever you will start writing tags, right? If I talk about this thing, this column, so when I started writing it, so this score started going up, 10, 20, 30, like 32, 38, 40, and I finally I made it to 50 by 50. Just take care of it. So just want to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. Also I am going to I am going to start videos on guitar tutorial also from this channel. So just whoever is interested in guitar tutorials or guitar tips, tricks, and from the very beginning, see about